Hello students, today we will do linear search. Linear search is a search in which search starts from first element. If it matches with first element, the search element matches with first element, then value found. Otherwise it will go to second element, then third element. It will continue until the search completes. So now let's see the program. Two header files at the top, void main. This is the declaration part. This is declaration of an array, then declaration of variable n for number of elements, I for loop, s for search element, and a flag whose value is 0. It is used later to stop the loop. Now we will input the value of n to limit the number of elements. Total size of array is 10, but we have to limit. If we want to insert 5 values, 6 values, 4 values, it is done by with the help of n. So we'll do the input of n. Then initialization of an array. This is initialization of an array. Then the most important part, which you are watching in blue color here, this is the part of search. What we have to do search? First we will input a value which is s. S is the element which we have to search. So we will do printf enter value to search and scanf with ampersand s. This is the value we are taking to search. Then search starts from loop. We will start the search with the help of a loop, I loop. Then we will put a condition if AR of I is equal S. AR means array. AR of I means array element. If it matches with the S means search element, then we have flag is equal to 1, means we have to stop the loop. See the variable at the starting, its value is 0, now its value is 1. If its value changes from 0 to 1, the loop stops and then break, which is used to come out from the loop. So what we will do, first we will input value of s, which is search value. Then we start with loop, then a condition AR of I is equal s, which is used to find the value. If value found, flag is equal to 1, means stop the loop, and break is used to come out from the loop. At the end we will use if else to print the output statement. If flag is equal to 1, flag becomes 1 when the value found. It means when AR of I is equal s, it means value found. If value found, then the flag value will be 1. So flag is equal to 1 means value found. So we will use a condition if flag is equal to 1, printf value found at position, and you want to print the position, you have to I plus 1. Otherwise, if flag is not equal to 0, it will go to the else statement and a message will print on the screen, value not found. Let's understand this. This message will come on your screen, enter value to search. So this is an array in which there are 5 values, 10, 5, 15, 12, 25, and value of s. If this message come on your screen, see like this. If I run this program, what message comes on your screen? Enter the size of an array first. If I am keeping size here 5, then I have to enter 5 elements. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then a message comes on your screen. The message is enter value to search. This message will come on your screen. So this message will come on your screen, enter value to search. You will put a value which I am taking here 12. So when I through keyboard, when I enter value 12, scanf input this value through keyboard and put this value into the s. So the value of s is 12 here. Now the loop will start. For I assign 0 means index of array is 0. This is the first element whose index is 0. Array index start from 0 to n minus 1. So the first value index will be 0, then 1, 2, 3, 4, n minus 1. So loop starting from I assign 0 means we are here at the 0 index right now. We are here whose value is 10. So now if we see AR of I, AR of I means index. Which is the index? 0. Means we are here. Is equal S. What is the value of S? 12. Value of S is 12. So value of index is 10. Value of S is 12. Value of index is 10. See this one. We are here. And search value is 12. 10 is equal to 12. AR of I is equal to S? No. No means we cannot go further. We have to go again here in the loop I plus plus. I plus plus means now index will be 1. Index will be 1. What is the value of AR of I? 5. So now the value is 5. We are at the index of 1. Value of AR of 1 is 5. And is equal S. S value will be the same. 5 is equal to 12. AR of I 5. S 12. 5 is equal to 12. No. So we have to again go to the loop. I plus plus. Now I plus plus means index value will be 2. So what is the value of index 2? 15. So now value is 15 and the index is 2. So AR of I value is 15 of index 2 and S value is 12. So 15 is equal to 12. 15 AR of I. S 12 not. Again I plus plus. Now we'll go to the next index 3. Now the index has been 3. What is the value of 3 index? 12. 12. So now what is the value of AR of I? 12. Value of S? 12. 12 is equal to 12. It means the condition satisfied. If the condition satisfied, you can go further. Otherwise, you have to go again to loop. In previous 3 conditions, the condition is not satisfying. So we have to again go to loop. But now AR of I index 3 value is 12 and S value 12. Condition is satisfied. So we can go further. Flag is equal to 1 means loop will be stopped. Flag is equal to 0. We have taken a variable. Now its value is 1. It is used to stop the loop. If this condition is used to find the value, search value, this is loop. With the help of loop, we can go to 0 index, then 1 index, 2 index, 3 index, and this condition is used to find the value. This flag is used to stop the loop, and then this break is used to come out from the loop. So if flag is equal to 1, see in this program the flag condition is 1. It means this message will print on the screen value found at position, which is index 3. According to array, this is index 3. But according to human, this is 1, 2, 3, 4th value. So I index is 3. 3 plus 1, 4. Value found at position 4. So now we are running this program. If you can see, I am running it again. Now I am running it again. Now enter the size of array 5. The values same 10, 5, 15, 12 and then 25. Which value I want to search? 12. See this one, 12. See, value found at position. Position is not coming. So let's check why the position is not coming. To print the position, we have to do %d here. So in the program, we have to also do the same. I have done change. Now you can see the search value is at position 4. See this one, 1, 2, 3, 4. What change I have done? What change I have done in my program? Here %d. If I run it again, see this program. Again I am 5, the size of array, then 10, 5, 15, 12, 25. Now I am searching 50. 50 is not in the table. So see what the answer comes. Answer comes value not found because it is not in the list. So this is linear search, in which search starts from first element. It will continue until the search value found. This is the code for search.